Today in this video we will learn about how to connect TrustP Domain towards Redserverhost Hosting. Connecting TrustP Domain towards Redserverhost Hosting is an easy process. While purchasing hosting services from many of the hosting providers, it will give you name servers through email. Copy those name servers and then open TrustP Domain Control Panel. Click on the domain and then go to Name Server option. Now paste the copied name servers here. Click on Update Name Servers. Hence, the name servers are successfully updated.